Instructions for the Hothouse dome. The hothouse dome helps control humidity for better rooting and growth from seedlings and cuttings from your prized plants. The dome features 2 mounted adjustable vents to achieve fresh airflow and desired humidity levels. More airflow will decrease humidity. Lay down the heat mat on a smooth surface. Place the cut kit tray directly on top of the heat mat. Fill the tray with your favorite growing medium and seeds and moisten with water. Place the dome on top of the tray. Rotate the sundials at the top of the dome to open-close the air vents. Do not overwater. Keep moist, not wet, and do not allow to dry out completely. Allow 4 to 7 days for seeds to germinate. Once plants are several inches tall, transplant and watch them grow.